Have you ever thought, if I study, I will pass. If I were rich, I would travel the world. Then congrats, you have already used conditional sentences without even knowing it. Today, I will teach you 4 types of classic conditionals with funny stories and engaging rhyme that you will never forget. I can bet on it. So, let's dive in. Type 1, zero conditional. Type 2, first conditional. Type 3, second conditional. Type 4, third conditional. You might get confused here. Type 1, 0, type 2, first. Here's a hack. You will remember in this way. Type 1, always subtract minus 1 from type 1. Type 1 minus 1, zero conditional. Type 2 minus 1, first conditional. Type 3 minus 1, second conditional. Type 4 minus 1, third conditional. That's how you can remember it easily. So let's start with type 1, zero conditional. Zero is facts, it always acts. Zero is facts, it always acts. Yes, it talks about the universal truth, facts and daily habits. Imagine story. Imagine your school bell. If the bell rings, dong 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 dong, the students leaves. If the bell rings, dong 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 dong, the students leaves. It is always true, no change. And now the formula. If plus present simple, comma, present simple. If the bell rings, present simple, comma, the students leave, present simple. So simple. And more example. If then what is the meaning of that? Let me explain. If you hit the water, it boils. If you hit the water, the fire, the water boils. If you hit the water boils. If it rains, the gas gets wet. If we hit the ice, it melts. So it talks about universal truth, facts, and daily habits. And now, let's dive into type 2, minus 1, first conditional. Type 2, first conditional. First is real, future we deal. First is real, future we deal. So first is real, future we deal. It talks about real future. Story time. A boy thinks, if I study hard, I will pass. If I study, I will pass. If I study, I will pass. Formula. If present simple, I study. If I study, comma, will plus verb, base verb. I will pass, base verb. So if, present simple, comma, will plus base verb. That is the structure. An example. If I eat too much, I will become fat. If it rains, we'll stay inside. So simple. It talks about real future. Now type 3, minus 1, second conditional. Second is dreams, not what it seems. Second is dreams, not what it seems. Story time. Now the boy dreams. If I were rich, I would buy a golden school. Hypothetical, unreal future, unreal present. It talks about imaginary situation, which is not true. It's unreal. It is unlikely. Structure. Formula. If plus past, simple past, comma, would plus base verb. Example. If I were rich, past simple, I were rich, comma, would, base verb. I would buy. Always rhyme. If I were rich, I would buy a golden school. If I were rich, I would buy a golden school. More example. If I own the lottery, I will buy the Ferrari. If I own the lottery, I will buy the Ferrari. If I were tall, I would play basketball. And now, here I talk about unreal present and unreal future. Unreal present, example, if I were tall, I would play basketball. I am not tall. It's not in the present. And it is unreal. So it's called unreal present. But if I own the lottery, I would buy a Ferrari. It talks about future, unreal future. So whether it is unreal present or unreal future, it depends on the context of the sentence. If I were tall, I am not tall, unreal present. If I own lottery in future, it is unlikely. There's a chance, but less. Negligible chance. And now, last but by no means least, type 4, -1, third conditional. Third is regret. We can't reset. Third is regret. We can't reset. So it talks about regret, which didn't happen in the past. Example. Now the boy is sad. He failed his test. Now he said, if I had studied hard, I would have passed. If I had studied hard, I would have passed. Formula, structure. If plus had. If plus had means had. That means past perfect tense. So I did it to make it more memorable. So if plus past perfect, that means had studied, had gone, comma, would have plus past participle. Past participle means gone, come, came, come, studied. The third form, P3. So if plus past perfect, comma, would have plus past participle. If I had studied, had. That's how you will remember. If I had studied, I would have passed. If they had left earlier, they would have caught the train. If I had known the answer, I would have told them. If I had known the answer, I would have told them. Always try. So now, to tie 4 types of classic conditionals together, let's rhyme. It's going to be really fun. 0 is facts, is always acts. First is real, future we deal. Second is dreams, not what it seems. Third is regret, we can't reset. You will remember this rhyme, okay? And now, I'm going to weave a story tying all the conditional, not all the 4 types of classic conditionals together. Once there was a boy named Jeet. So Jeet says 0 conditional. If Jeet eats too much sugar, he feels sick. Always true. 0 conditional. And now he thinks about his example. If he studies hard today, he will pass tomorrow. Real future. If he studies hard today, he will pass tomorrow. While studying, he dreams. Second conditional. Dreaming. Third is second conditional. Second is dream, not what it seems. Type 3, second conditional. If I were a king, I would buy a golden mansion. If I were a king, I would buy a golden mansion or golden school. Thinking all of this, now he failed his examination. Now he regrets. If I had studied hard, I would have passed. So that was the story. If you sing the rhyme and remember the story, I can bet on it. I can bet you will never forget conditional sentences again in your life. And here's a challenge for you. You will comment 1 sentence using each type of conditional sentences. And I will check them, give you feedback. Hey, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, if you practice every day, you will become fluent. Thank you. Thank you so much.